Steffanie and the Magic Pencil. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Steffanie who loved to draw. One day, while cleaning her room, she found an old pencil hidden in a dusty box. It looked like any normal pencil, but when Steffanie started to draw with it, something magical happened. Her drawings came to life. She drew a bird, and it flew around her room. She drew an apple, and she could actually eat it. Excited, Steffanie began drawing everything she ever wanted: new toys, a bicycle, and mountains of candy. Soon, her room was overflowing with things. But then, something strange began to happen. The magic pencil started drawing on its own. It drew dark, scary clouds, and Steffanie's room was filled with thunder and shadows. The more Steffanie used the pencil for herself, the darker and scarier her world became. Steffanie didn't know what to do, so she ran to her grandmother for help. She told her, "Magic works best when it is used to help others. Maybe the pencil is showing you a lesson." Steffanie thought hard and decided to try something new. She picked up the pencil and drew toys for her little sister, food for the hungry, and books for her friends. As she gave her drawings away, the dark clouds disappeared. Light filled her room, and the pencil finally rested in her hand. Steffanie learned that selfishness had turned the magic into a curse, but sharing and kindness brought back its true power. From that day on, she used the magic pencil to help others, and she was happier than ever.